আচ্ছা, আজকে আমি তোদের করাচ্ছি কন্টিনিউটি। কন্টিনিউটি a function y equal to fx is said to be a continuous function at x equal to a if and only if limit x tends to a minus fx is limit x tends to a plus fx equals to fa. That means if left hand limit, this is known as left hand limit, equals to right hand limit equals to the function value of the function at that point at x equal to a, then we can say that the function is continuous at x equal to a. Otherwise যদি কোনো একটা ভ্যালু ইকুয়াল না হয়, otherwise the function is discontinuous at x equal to a. Clear? Limit left hand limit যেটা limit x tends to a minus fx can also be written as limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h. Right hand limit, that is limit x tends to a plus fx, can be written as limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h. Clear? If these two limits equals, then limit x tends to a fx exists, and if limit x tends to a fx exists and its value is equals to fa, that is the value of the function at x equal to a, then also we can say that the function is continuous at x equal to a. If limit x tends to a minus limit x tends to a minus fx is equals to fa, then we can say that the function is continuous in the right side of a. The function is continuous in the left side of a, and if limit x tends to a plus fx is fa, then we can say that the function is continuous in the right side of a. Clear? Next is algebra of continuous function. If f and g are two continuous function, then Number 1, f plus g is continuous in the given domain. Number 2, f minus g is continuous. Number 3, alpha into f, beta into g, where alpha and beta are two non-zero scalar, are continuous in their respective domain. F into g, fourth is f into g is continuous. F by g is continuous provided g not equal to 0. Similarly, g by f is continuous provided f not equal to 0. 1 by f is continuous provided f not equal to 0. These all are continuous in their respective domain. Clear? Next is some examples. Fx is mod x by x when x not equal to 0, 0 when x equal to 0. এটা আমাদের প্রুভ করতে হবে যে ফাংশনটা বা শো করতে হবে whether this function is continuous or not at x equal to 0. So the left hand limit x tends to 0 minus fx, that is limit x tends to 0 minus, when x tends to 0 minus means x is less than 0, where mod x is minus x, its value is minus 1. Right hand limit x tends to 0 plus fx is limit x tends to 0 plus, 0 plus means more than 0, where mod x is plus x, it is x by x which is 1. Since these two limits are not equal, limit x tends to 0 minus fx is not equal to limit x tends to 0 plus fx, then the function fx is discontinuous at x equal to 0. So it is discontinuous at x equal to 0. Clear? Next example, fx equal to cos t by pi by 2 minus t. When t is not equal to pi by 2 and fx equal to 1 or ft equal to, it should be ft is 1 when t is pi by 2, t equals to pi by 2. Again left hand limit, that is limit t tends to pi by 2 minus limit ft t tends to pi by 2 minus cos t by pi by 2 minus t, assuming pi by 2 minus t be x, So t will be pi by 2 minus x. So it is limit x tends to 0 minus cos pi by 2 minus x by x, that is sin x by x is 1. Similarly, right hand limit x t tends to pi by 2 plus ft is also 1, and the value of the function at t equal to 1 is also 1. Since these three values are equal, that is left hand limit, right hand limit, and the value of the function at t equal to 1, hence the function fx or ft is continuous at t equal to pi by 2. Therefore, ft is continuous at t equals to pi by 2. Clear? Next is fx equal to 2x minus 1. Fx equal to 2x minus 1. Fx is defined by 2x minus 1 when x less than 2. Fx equals to a when x equals to 2. And fx equals to x plus 1 when x is more than 2. It is given that the function fx is continuous at x equal to 2. It is continuous at x equal to 2. Then find the value of a. It is given that the function is continuous. Since the function is continuous at x equal to 2, so limit x tends to 2 minus fx is equals to limit x tends to 2 plus fx equals to f2. Therefore, limit x tends to 2 minus fx, that is less than 2, তো fx হচ্ছে 2x minus 1, more than 2 তে fx হচ্ছে x plus 1, আর equal to 2 তে fx হচ্ছে a. So here it is 4 minus 1, that is 3. Here is also 3 equal to a. So the value of a is 3. Next is fx equal to 3x plus b. Fx is defined by 3ax plus b when x is more than 1, equal to 11 when x equals to 1, and fx is 5ax minus 2b, 5ax minus 2b when x is less than 1. Here also the function fx is given at the function fx is continuous at x equal to 1. Find the value of a and b. It is given that the function fx is continuous at x equal to 1. Find the value of a and b. Since fx is continuous, at x equal to 1, so limit x tends to 1 minus fx equals to limit x tends to 1 plus fx equals to f1. When limit x tends to 1 minus means x is less than 1, here the value of fx is 5ax minus 2b. Limit x tends to 1 plus, here x is more than 1, the value of fx is 3ax plus b, and f equal to 1, the value of fx is 11. So this will be 5a minus 2b equals to 3a plus b equals to 11. So 5a minus 2b is 11 and 3a plus b is 11. Multiplying second equation by 2 and first equation by 1, we have 5a minus 2b is 11 and 6a plus 2b is 22. By adding, we have 11a is 33, so a is 3. By replacing the value of a in equation 1 or 2, we have b is 11 minus 9, that is 2. So a is 3, sorry, and b is 2. This is the answer. Next part is continuity on an interval. Continuity on an interval. এতক্ষণ যেটা করলাম সেটা হচ্ছে কন্টিনিউটি অ্যাট এ পয়েন্ট অ্যাট এক্স ইকুয়াল টু এ। এবার হচ্ছে কন্টিনিউটি অন অ্যান ইন্টারভেল। একটা ইন্টারভেলে ফাংশনটা কন্টিনিউয়াস কিনা সেটা আমাদের দেখাতে হবে। whether a function is continuous or not on an interval a to b. If a function fx is said to be continuous on an open interval ab, if and only if it is continuous at every point on the interval ab. যদি কোনো একটা ইন্টারভেল ab তে ফাংশনটা কন্টিনিউয়াস হয় তাহলে সেই ইন্টারভেলের মধ্যে প্রত্যেকটা পয়েন্টে মানে এবি ইন্টারভেলের প্রত্যেকটা পয়েন্টে ফাংশনটা কন্টিনিউয়াস হবে। ইচ অ্যান্ড এভরি পয়েন্টে দ্য ফাংশন উইল বি কন্টিনিউয়াস, দেন উই ক্যান সে দ্য ফাংশন is continuous on the interval a comma b, on the open interval a comma b. And if a function fx is said to be continuous on a closed interval ab, if fx is continuous in the closed interval ab, it means f is continuous on the open interval ab. It implies that number 1, fx is continuous in the open interval ab, and number 2, fx is continuous in the right side of a as well as in the left side of b, that is limit x tends to a plus fx is equals to fa, and limit x tends to b minus fx is equals to fb. তার মানেটা কি, যে যখন আমরা ক্লোজড ইন্টারভেল কনসিডার করছি a টু b, দ্য ফার্স্ট ওপেন ইন্টারভেলে এটা কন্টিনিউয়াস হবেই, আর ক্লোজড ইন্টারভেলের জন্য মানে এটা a এটা b, তাহলে a পয়েন্ট আর তার রাইট সাইডে এ ফাংশনটা কন্টিনিউয়াস, আর বি পয়েন্ট আর তার লেফট সাইডেও ফাংশনটা কন্টিনিউয়াস। দ্যাট মিন্স দ্য ফাংশন ইজ কন্টিনিউয়াস ইন দ্য ওপেন ইন্টারভেল এ বি, as well as the function is continuous in the right side of A as well as in the left side of B. Clear? Now a function fx is said to be continuous if it is continuous at each point of its domain. যদি এবার আমরা বলি যে ফাংশনটা একটা ফাংশন কন্টিনিউয়াস, প্রথমে আমাদের টপিকটা ছিল ফাংশন, a function is continuous at a point A. সেকেন্ড টপিকটা হচ্ছে a function is continuous on an interval AB, whether it is closed or open. এবার যদি আমরা বলি a function is continuous means a function is continuous means fx is continuous at every point on its domain. এর ডোমেনের প্রত্যেকটা পয়েন্টে ফাংশনটা কন্টিনিউয়াস, তখনই আমরা বলতে পারবো ফাংশনটা কন্টিনিউয়াস। নেক্সট ইজ এভরিহোয়ার কন্টিনিউয়াস ফাংশন। এভরিহোয়ার কন্টিনিউয়াস ফাংশন মিন্স everywhere continuity means the function is continuous on the real number line, মানে রিয়েল নাম্বারে মাইনাস ইনফিনিটি টু ইনফিনিটি প্রত্যেকটা পয়েন্টে ফাংশনটা কন্টিনিউয়াস। তা এভরিহোয়ার কন্টিনিউয়াস ফাংশনের কয়েকটা থিওরেম আছে। ইফ f and g if f and g are two functions continuous everywhere, then number one, f plus g is continuous everywhere or everywhere continuous. Number two, f minus g is everywhere continuous. Number three, f into g is everywhere continuous. Number four, k into f is everywhere continuous, where k is a non-zero scalar. Number five, f by g is everywhere continuous provided g is not equal to 0, as well as g by f is everywhere continuous provided f is not equal to 0. Clear? That means they are continuous in their respective domain. Next theorem is the composition of two continuous function is also continuous. The composition of two continuous function is also continuous. Composition of two continuous function is also continuous. দুটো কন্টিনিউয়াস ফাংশনের কম্পোজিশনটাও একটা কন্টিনিউয়াস ফাংশন হবে। নেক্সট ইজ if f is continuous on its domain, then next theorem, if f is continuous on its domain, then mod f is also continuous on that domain. A constant function continuous everywhere. Everywhere continuous. A polynomial function everywhere continuous. A exponential function and exponential function continuous everywhere or everywhere continuous. Exponential functions like e to the power x, a to the power x, 3 to the power x, etc. Y equal to sin x or cos x functions everywhere continuous. Y equal to tan x, cot x, sec x, cosec x are continuous in their respective domain. Similarly, inverse functions are also continuous in their respective domain. Inverse trigonometric functions are continuous in their respective domain. Logarithmic function are also continuous in their respective domain, all logarithmic functions. Every rational functions are continuous on D, that means on their domain. Every modulus function or absolute value function are everywhere continuous. The identity function everywhere continuous. Next, আমি তোদের কিছু সামস করাচ্ছি। Discuss the continuity of the functions fx equal to sin 2x by x if x less than 0, fx equal to sin 2x by x when x less than 0, and x plus 2 if x greater than 0. আচ্ছা, প্রথমে আমরা এটা ইন্টারভেল কন্টিনিউটি টেস্ট, আমরা ইন্টারভেলগুলোতে কন্টিনিউয়াস কিনা সেটা টেস্ট করব, তারপর এই 0 পয়েন্টে কন্টিনিউটি টেস্ট করব। When x is less than 0, since we know that sin 2x is continuous everywhere and x is a polynomial function, so it is also continuous everywhere. এবার দুটো এভরিওয়্যার কন্টিনিউয়াস ফাংশন এর কোশেন্টটাও এভরিওয়্যার কন্টিনিউয়াস ফাংশন, where x is not equal to 0, তো অবভিয়াসলি এটা তো নন জিরো কোয়ান্টিটি। Since sin 2x is everywhere continuous, x is everywhere continuous as a polynomial, so sin 2x by x is everywhere continuous when x less than 0. Again, since x plus 2 is a polynomial, so it is also continuous everywhere when x greater than 0. Clear? তাহলে লেস দ্যান জিরোতে ফাংশনটা কন্টিনিউয়াস fx, মোর দ্যান জিরোতে ফাংশনটা কন্টিনিউয়াস। এবার জিরোতে টেস্ট করব অ্যাট x ইকুয়াল টু 0, লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট x টেন্ডস টু 0 মাইনাস fx, sin 2x by x, which is limit x tends to 0 minus sin 2x by 2x into 2, that is 1 into 2 is 2, and limit x tends to 0 plus fx, that is limit x tends to 0 plus more than 0, the function touch x plus 2, which is 2. and at x equal to 0 the function is 2 also. Since these three values, left hand limit, right hand limit and the value of the function at x equal to 0 are equal, so fx is continuous at x equal to 0. Therefore fx is continuous at x equal to 0. Hence the function everywhere continuous throughout the real number line. লেস দ্যান জিরোতে আমরা কন্টিনিউটি দেখালাম, যেহেতু এই দুটো ফাংশনই কন্টিনিউয়াস এভরিওয়্যার, তাহলে তাদের কোশেন্টটাও কন্টিনিউয়াস এভরিওয়্যার হবে হোয়েন দ্য ডিনোমিনেটর ইজ নট ইকুয়াল টু 0. এই ফাংশনটা পলিনোমিয়াল বলে কন্টিনিউয়াস হোয়েন মোর দ্যান 0, আর এক্স ইকুয়াল টু 0তেও ফাংশনটা কন্টিনিউয়াস, সো দ্য ফাংশন ইজ কন্টিনিউয়াস এভরিওয়্যার. ক্লিয়ার? Next is fx equals to 4. Fx is given by 4 when x is less than 1, less than minus 1. Fx is ax square plus b when x lies between minus 1 and 0, and cos x when x greater than 0. Find a and b if the function is continuous everywhere. It is given that the function is everywhere continuous. আচ্ছা, since less than minus 1 এ এটা একটা constant function, so it is less than minus 1 এ continuous. 0 to minus 1 to 0 এর মধ্যে এটা একটা পলিনোমিয়াল ফাংশন, সো ইট ইজ কন্টিনিউয়াস ইন দিস ইন্টারভেল, আর এটা cos x ফাংশন এভরিওয়্যার কন্টিনিউয়াস, সো ইট ইজ কন্টিনিউয়াস হোয়েন x গ্রেটার দ্যান 0. তাহলে ইন্টারভেলগুলোতে ফাংশনটা কন্টিনিউয়াস. এবার আমরা পয়েন্টগুলোতে দেখব. ফার্স্টে হচ্ছে অ্যাট x ইকুয়াল টু মাইনাস 1, লিমিট x টেন্ডস টু minus 1 minus fx means when x is less than minus 1, its value is 4. F of minus 1 is also 4. Limit x tends to minus 1 plus fx means x tends to minus 1 plus means more than minus 1, where its value is ax square plus b is given by a plus b. Since the function everywhere continuous, so it is continuous at x equal to minus 1. Therefore left hand limit is equals to right hand limit equals to value of the function, so a plus b is equals to 4. Equation number 1. Again at x equal to 0, limit x tends to 0 minus fx is limit x tends to 0 minus ax square plus b is b. Limit x tends to 0 plus fx is limit x tends to 0 plus, that is cos x, which is cos 0 is 1, is same as value of the function at x equal to 0. Since the function is continuous at x equal to 0, so left hand limit is equals to right hand limit equal to value of the function, that is b is 1. By replacing the value of b here, we will get a plus 1 is 4, so a is 3. So this is the value of a and b. Clear? এটা হলো তোদের কন্টিনিউটি. এইভাবে কন্টিনিউটিটা প্রুভ করতে হবে কন্টিনিউয়াস ফাংশনগুলো এর মধ্যে আননোন এ বি এরকম থাকলে পরে এই মেথডে করতে হবে। ঠিক আছে, আশা করি বুঝতে পেরেছিস তোরা সব। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।